Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at three potential altcoins to buy right now. So in the past 24 hours, the market is green, guys. It is up about 1.18%. If we take a look right here, top gainers in the past 24 hours going to be Loop Ring, which is up about 55%. Highest volume like usual, Bitcoin, and we finally did it, guys. It's Sunday night going into Monday morning now, and we're finally breaking through the 50,000 area. Bitcoin is finally trading at around $50,000 again, which is great. Market cap 939 billion once again. Ethereum breaking through that 3,300 area, up about 1.88%. So they're both up about 2%. Cardano is destroying it. We talked about Cardano yesterday at about 256, I believe. Now Cardano's at 282, up about 11% or so. Everything else is pretty much up as well, 1 or 2%. Obviously, some outliers like Avalanche here, 17%. Obviously, here we have Monero up about 8.5% or so. So everything in the market right now is looking very nice, looking very green, and that's definitely something that we like to see going into this, rest of this week. And can Bitcoin continue this rally on higher? Well, we'll have to wait and find out. Smash that like button, guys, before we get into this video. Let's get 100 plus likes in this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. We just hit 40,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. So the first altcoin we're going to be talking about is going to be Helium. So Helium, also known as HNT. If you guys are not familiar with this one has been booming lately, especially with the miners that started coming out earlier on in 2021. A lot of people got into the mining, aspect of it, and now I'm actually personally myself waiting for my miners still to come in. It's supposed to be coming around by the end of this year, hopefully, and I can start mining some Helium coin. So this one is trading at around $23.49. It is up about 4% or so. In the past week, it's actually up 30%. Past month, 113% from lows of about $10 all the way to highs of $23. Now we did have that halvening that happened in August, so that did help as well. And then on the 1 year chart, it is up over 1,460%, which is just massive if you think about it. Last August, this coin was trading around 152, and then here, March time period is really when it started to gain momentum, and a lot of people started to post on YouTube about the Helium miners. We have the Bobcat and all the different versions that we have out there, and this is where it started to go. So $3 or $4 down here in March, and this is when people were making a lot of money. They were making thousands of dollars because there weren't that many miners out there, so they were getting a lot of coins while mining. And they could sell for a lot of profit, and it was still booming here even in April. This is pretty much when I found out about mining the Helium and the miner that you can buy, and it was trading at around $15 to $18 here per coin. And obviously that's when everybody pretty much started to make orders, and now everybody's trying to get in on this one. But this one made a little bit of a sideways trade, pulled back down with the rest of the market all the way to lows here in the nines, and then finally, boom, we start to break out higher and higher and higher, and we're hoping for Helium to continue to push even higher. Hopefully by the end of the year, it would be very nice to see this one continue to go higher. Right now, market cap is very low, only at around 2.3 billion. So that market cap is still super low. Volume in the past 24 hours at around 55.1 million. And then obviously the circulating supply of coins, 96.1 million. Helium coins are out there right now in trade, circulation. So this one is only going to continue to grow, in my opinion, as crypto continues to grow as well, and as more of these miners are, placed in place. I guess right now, I believe it was 5 million coins per month that were being mined, and after the halvening, I believe now it's at 2.5 million. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, letting me know if I'm, not saying that correctly, but I believe that is the right, amount. So now that we've covered the first altcoin on our list, guys, you guys are all familiar with Shiba Inu, right? So Shiba Inu is obviously one of those meme coins, just like Dogecoin, one of the cryptocurrencies. It is currently trading at around 0.0000831 per coin. If you guys take a look here at the chart, you guys can see that as well. So are you guys familiar with Webull? If you are, Webull is offering some great things right now. So Shiba Inu is under beta testing on Webull and ready to go live very, very soon. So some of the perks here on Webull, obviously, you guys can start trading now with zero commission on your trades. You can try out the Webull on desktop and obviously on the app as well. So some of the other things that Webull has is obviously multiple investment functions such as stocks. If you guys are interested in cryptos such as Shiba Inu as well, like we said, they have ETFs, options, and even fractional shares. So for those of you who like to trade fractional shares, instead of buying $3,000 worth of Amazon, you can buy $100 or $200 worth of Amazon. They also have paper trading on their app as well, where you can practice trading with fake money and get used to to, trading in the market before, I guess you can say, kind of getting your feet wet. So the Webull app also has a very friendly chart for you guys to use, and a Webull trading community as well, function on the app where you guys can chat with other traders just like you and, get their opinions and different things like that. Now, what are the benefits of joining Webull right now? Well, guys, if you guys join Webull right now, you will get 2 free stocks when you sign up today. And who doesn't like free stocks? Because I know I like free stocks. So, guys, check out the link in the description. There's going to be a link in the description. If you guys sign up for Webull today, you will get 2 free stocks, and you can trade cryptos, options, stocks, etc., etc. And Shiba Inu is going to be under beta right now testing, and it's going to be ready very, very soon. Now let's get into the rest of this countdown. So the second altcoin on our list is going to be Sushi. So Sushi Swap right here, this one is up about 1%. It is trading at $13.76, up about 1% like we said. In the past week, up about 9%. And then on the 1 month chart, it is up about 67%. And then on the 1 year chart, over 304%. Last year, this coin was trading at around $2.55 or so, and it continued to go higher here, obviously in March, all the way up to about $23, and then a little bit of a pullback with the market, all the way to lows of about $6, and now we're seeing this upside. So from that low to the high right now, it's up over 100% once again. So market cap right now on Sushi Swap is at around 1.8 billion, and then the volume in the past 24 hours is at 279.4 million, with the circulating supply at 127.2 million. Now, Sushi Swap, for those of you who are not familiar, is an Ethereum token that powers Sushi Swap, a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange, an automated market maker built on Ethereum. Holders of Sushi can participate in community governance and stake their tokens to receive a portion of Sushi Swap's transaction fees, which is definitely a benefit. There's so many benefits in different cryptos that you guys can still look into, just for holding your coins and doing different things like staking and many other aspects in the crypto world. You can get so many benefits that actually give you more returns, I guess you could say, and make more profit. And everybody likes more profit, so wouldn't you want to make more profit as well? Now with Sushi Swap, like we said, there's so much more potential. It's only trading at a 1.8 billion market cap. This could easily go to a 5 billion plus market cap in the short term. Obviously, even in the long term, it could go even higher. So I would not be surprised if this coin was trading at around $50 or higher in the next, few years, 5, 10, 15, 20 years. As always, obviously, there's always that high risk, high reward type situation. But altcoins, they tend to go up as Bitcoin and Ethereum tend to go higher. So do these small cap coins as well. So there's always potential right now, especially in this bull market that we're going at right now, with Bitcoin breaking through that 50,000 resistance area finally, this weekend. Now our third altcoin is going to be Theta. So Theta gang right here, guys, it is up about 1% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, it is down about 1%. In the past month, 52% higher. And then on the 1 year chart, it is up about 1,416%. So this one trading at $7.37. Last year, it was trading at around 50 cents at this time. Went up to highs of about $15.90 right here in April. Pulled back down all the way to lows down here about in the $3 range. Obviously, from that $3 range, it is up about 100% since then in the past month or so, but it is still about 100% return, away from that $15 area. So we would have to make another 100% on this $7 just to go back to the all-time high area, which would give it a market cap close to 15 billion. Right now, the market cap is at around 7.4 billion. Now, volume in the past 24 hours at 276.1 million. And then obviously the circulating supply, 1 billion coins. So Theta is going to be our third one on the list, guys. Now, after we take a look at all those altcoins and, discuss all those different things, let's take a look at the rest of the market and see how everything is performing. First of all, we're going to talk about the big dog, guys, Bitcoin. How could we not? It is up about 2%. We hit lows here on Sunday at around 48,000. Then Sunday night into Monday morning, we continue to go higher and higher, all the way breaking through that resistance at 50,000. In the past week, it's up about 6.83%. Past month, 55%. And then on the 1 year chart, around 331%. We're finally getting through that 50,000 resistance. Our next point is going to be obviously the mid 50s, so close to 54, 55,000, and then potentially go higher. Now, guys, it is looking closer and better than ever that we have that potential to get back to all-time highs, which would be unbelievable because we were just trading at 29,000 just about a month ago. So we made about a $21,000 gain on Bitcoin just in about a month. So Bitcoin is rallying with that market cap 936.1 billion. It's slowly creeping back up to that 1 trillion market cap. So very nice to see with Bitcoin. Ethereum, pretty much same picture. Came down to lows of about 3,100. Now it's coming back all the way to 3,300, up about almost 2%. In the past week, it's flat. 1 month chart 63% higher, and then on the 1 year chart 745.2%, definitely booming from 400 last year all the way to highs of 4400, lows of 1700, and now we're back above that 3000 area. 382 billion market cap on Ethereum. Volume in the past 24 hours at 16.2 billion. So Ethereum is obviously still playing the catch-up game compared to Bitcoin, but it is starting to trend on higher and higher. Following the same pretty much pattern, but it is trading a little bit more sideways compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is having a more of a straight-up trajectory. But if you guys compare that to Bitcoin, obviously here in April and March and April time period, April was going nice and slow and steady. Meanwhile, Ethereum kind of just exploded on higher. So right now it's doing the opposite. Ethereum is going slowly while Bitcoin is booming on higher and higher. So pretty much similar pattern. Doge pretty much flat in the past 24 hours. Actually, it's not making much of a movement, even though the top cryptos are booming. In the past week, it's down 6%. Past month, up about 66%, and then obviously on the 1 year chart, up over 9,200%. Obviously, as we had that crypto boom and altcoin boom happen here in April or so, and obviously the SNL show, Elon Musk, different things that were pumping up Dogecoin pretty much. 41.7 billion market cap on this one, with a 2.2 billion volume right here on Doge. So Doge still doing okay, but in my opinion, not performing as well as the rest of the market. There's a lot more obviously opportunities and better opportunities in the market. I mean, Cardano has been doing very well. Polkadot, Solana, everything else pretty much has been doing a lot better compared to Doge. Even Avalanche is catching up now with their market cap getting higher and higher. So, there's always opportunities out there, guys. It's just up to you to decide if the risk is worth the reward for you. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so you always have to do your own due diligence. Always speak to your financial advisor, because there is a high risk, high reward type situation when you're trading crypto or even stocks in the stock market. So always do that. And as always, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this type of content. If you did, smash that like button. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. And don't forget, if you want to get your 2 free stocks from Webull, make sure you check out the link in the description. You will get 2 free stocks from Webull. You can start trading Shiba Inu and many other, stocks, options, cryptos, ETFs, and even fractional trading on Webull. So check out the description. Also, subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. Leave a comment below. What crypto are you buying right now? And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.